Don't wish for a good body, work for it. Losing the fat around your midsection can be a battle. In addition to being the risk factor for several diseases, excess abdominal fat may make you feel bloated and discouraged. Luckily, several strategies have been shown to be especially effective at reducing your waist size. Hey guys, welcome to our channel Best 10. If you dream about having flat stomach, then this video is for you, where we are going to reveal some secrets of flat belly. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Best 10. Good sources of soluble fibers include oats, flax seeds, avocados, Brussels sprouts, and blackberries. Eating soluble fibers has been linked to reduced risk of developing fat around your belly. Fibers also reduce the risk of several diseases. Sugary soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks are generally loaded with high sugar and liquid calories. Your brain doesn't register liquid calories like it registers for solid ones. Therefore, they are added to everything you eat and contribute to weight gain. Sugary drinks are also one of the reasons mentioned in our video why you are not losing weight, where the link is in the description below. Stress and anxiety are very common, and most people experience them at some point in their lives. Stress is linked to development of many diseases, and it is also a common reason why people tend to eat or binge eat often without being hungry. It also increases appetite and leads specifically to belly fat storage. Try to add some stress relieving activities to your daily routine, such as yoga or meditation. Getting a sufficient amount of good sleep is very important for weight loss. Studies have shown sleeping less than 5 hours a night for adults and less than 10 hours for children is linked to increased risk of weight gain. Sleep deprived people are up to 55% more likely to become obese. Unsweetened green tea and coffee are among the healthiest drinks in the world, as they reduce the risk of accumulating belly fat and helps to reduce the waist size. As per studies, drinking coffee increases the number of calories you burn by 3 to 11%, and green tea increases the fat burning up to 17%. It is a well-known fact that you need to cut calories to produce weight loss, but it is said that restricting your calorie intake too much can have an opposite effect on your weight. Eating too few calories can cause major decrease in your metabolic rate, which can lead to difficulty in weight maintenance. Doing cardio or aerobic exercise is an excellent way to burn calories and improve health. Experts suggest that doing moderate to high intensity cardio for 20 to 40 minutes per day can lead to reduced belly fat and strengthening of midsection. Examples of cardio include running, biking, and brisk walking. Drinking water increases the metabolic rate and make you feel fuller, so you'll eat fewer calories. It also helps in relieving constipation problem and reduce belly bloating. Try drinking a large glass of water 30 minutes before meal to achieve your goal of a flatter stomach. Performing exercises while standing up may benefit health more than performing the same exercise sitting or using weight machine. By standing, you activate more muscle to maintain balance and hold up your weight. Therefore, you'll spend more energy working out and burn calories. A combination of exercise and diet is probably the most effective way to achieve weight loss. But studies have shown that brisk walks for 30 to 40 minutes, that is about 7,500 steps per day, is also linked to a significant reduction of dangerous tummy fat and slimmer waistline. Mindful eating is a technique that helps you recognize and cope with your emotions and physical sensation regarding food and hunger. It involves slowing down, eating without distraction, and focusing on your physical hunger, and that reduces the risk of stress eating and binge eating. One popular way to do high intensity training is to perform intervals of very intensive activity such as sprinting or jumping with short breaks in between. This training increases fat burning and metabolic rate even long after your workout is over. It is especially effective for slimming the waistline. When you are trying to lose weight, it can be helpful to track your food intake. There are several ways to do this, like counting calories, keeping food diary, and taking pictures of your food. Studies generally agree that people who track their food intake are more likely to reach their weight loss goals. Added sugar is linked to most common diseases in today's society, including heart disease, diabetes, and liver diseases. It has a direct link to increased waist size, especially in people who drink sugar-sweetened beverages. Added sugar is hidden in various food, so it's very important to read the ingredient list of food items. Alcoholic drinks like beer contain similar number of calories as a sugary soft drink, while wines contain a whopping twice that amount. Heavy drinking is linked to increased weight gain, especially your belly area. If you want a flat stomach, you should aim to skip alcoholic drinks. As you can see, there are many strategies that can help you achieve your goal of flat belly. By incorporating some of the tips in your daily routine, you may get to see six packs sooner than later. So guys, keep in mind that it may take some time and effort, but it will be worth it if done properly. Also, don't forget to comment down below that how did you like our today's video. Also, if you want us to give you best information related to upcoming trending topics, make sure you like, share our video and subscribe to our channel Best 10 and hit the bell icon to get notified first.